Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. All right, here we go. We are starting our third section of this unit, third and final section. So let's get to it. All right, first one. You're going to do this. It's called order of operations with negative numbers. And if we just look at the first one I do, you're going to go, oh, this is easy. I can do this one. It gets harder, so please pay attention. The first one we got. Order of operations would be, if you all remember right, it's PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. And those letters someday will show up on this computer screen. There they are. I knew it. I knew it would take a little while, but it showed up eventually. All right. And I'm having a little technical difficulties. PEMDAS means we start with parentheses. Well, let's see. Here's parentheses. So inside those parentheses, what is 63 divided by 9? Most of you are going 7. Well then, negative 7 plus 7 is, got it. There you go, it's 0. Good job. All right, so let's move our PEMDAS to the next one. Oh, come on, PEMDAS. Where are you going, PEMDAS? There we go. Let's go to the middle one now. We're going to do this one. Boom. All right, next one. I want you to think about this one. Pause it for a moment and come up with your own answer. So go ahead and pause. All right, welcome back. All right, so if you did this correctly, here's what I want you to know. You should have, oh, whoa, look at that thing running around. Let's just do this. Let's move it right to up there. And let's, oh, I see, it's kind of frozen in time there. All right, here's what we got. You should have taken negative 7 times negative 10. Because remember, I like to do plus the opposite. And what's the opposite of 10? Negative 10, so plus negative 10. And what's negative 10 times negative 7? Positive 70. Positive 70 plus negative 8. Positive 7 plus 70 plus negative 8. That would be 62. See, I told you it just got a little tougher. All right, let's try another one. Slide this one over here. Do another one right here. All right, parentheses. Well, but except it's just a negative 4 inside the parentheses. We got no exponents. We got multiplying and division. We sure do. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Over here, we have negative 8 times this. Oh, we got a division. So what's 9 divided by negative 3? Would be negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. So negative 4 from this side plus positive 24 from this side gives us positive 20. If you have questions on that, that's what I'm here to help you. You need to come see me in office hours. Then I got 2 more I just want you to look at. I'm going to give you the answers. You're going to pause the video and you're going to look at these and make sure you can get to these answers. If you can't, you need to ask me in class how to do these or during office hours. I don't care when it is, but you need to ask me. So here are 2 more examples. I need you to look at this one and how did I get to negative 108? And then I need you to look at this one and how did I get to negative 43? Make sure you can get there. If you can't, you need to ask questions. But otherwise, if you can get there, that's how you do it. Order of operations with negative numbers is today's assignment. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.